Hello, welcome to yet another exciting series of Revit brought to you by CATSIM Technologies. Today in this series we are going to start a new sub-series on Autodesk Vasari Beta 3 version, and for the first topic for this Vasari we have selected the adaptive component family of the massing category to be created. In this tutorial we will teach you how to create an adaptive component pattern for a curtain wall. So let's start with it. To start, click the application menu, go to the new family, and here in this new family dialog box, first we will select the adaptive component option because we are going to create the model in which we are going to put the curtain panel pattern here in this adaptive component family. So we open the adaptive component family, and then in the application menu we are going to open the family for the curtain panel pattern base. So we are going to create the pattern in this particular family, and then we will load to the adaptive component family. So here we have the grid. We are going to change the pattern of the grid from rectangle to, let's say, rhomboid, because we are going to create a rhomboid type of family pattern for the curtain, but it would be some solid shaped rhomboid. So for that we have to create a rectangle in this part and then extrude it accordingly. So to create, so first of all we'll create the section of the panel. We select the point element from the model. You see there's a list box over here, and put it anywhere in the path, and then go to the modify, and then if you select it, you will find that some work plane is displayed. So we're going to create the rectangle, the section for the panel in the path. We can modify the section as per requirement. Let's say I create a smaller version of it. That's fine. And then I reduce it to the part. So let it be like this. Okay, make the size as 1 feet. It's fine. Now select the part and the pattern and go for the create form, solid form tool. Okay, so again we select I'll select the entire part along with the component. Yeah, it's fine. And then go to the solid form. I have two options, either go for a box or for the path option. Select it. Okay. Say something got wrong. Create form, solid form. Okay. So we'll try with another section to create. If this is not working, we'll create another rectangle. First we will set the plane. Sometimes you have some problems with the selection of the plane. Let's say I have a rectangular pattern. Now I select the path and select the section, both, and go for the create form. Okay. I have the shape. I was having a problem with selection of the section. Now this is the shape that I wanted to achieve from the form. Okay, we have to avoid selecting the plane, because if you select the plane, an erroneous type of structure will create. But this is the section that we want to create, and then we're going to load this into the project of the adaptive component family. So you create a form on the surface of which you are going to create the curtain panel. So for this I will have a cylindrical form. I'll go for the create form option, and then I have a stretch it down to the height that I require this component to be. So to modify the size. I select the face. Let's say I make it as 120 feet. Press enter. Now I'm going to divide the faces of the cylinder and want to get the pattern that I have created in one of it. Let's say select from the type selector drop down list in the properties panel. Here I have the family 8 option. I can see that the pattern is displayed along the faces. So this is how you can create pattern in the faces of an adaptive component family. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll have more video on Autodesk Vasari and Revit. Thank you.